Enter Bollywood. सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in.
What is happening to fashion and the models?
Supreet, you were with me watching that show, remember? I mean, seriously, we were sitting together for this fashion show. I was just appalled. I mean, the only decent bodies were the ones that had really old faces like that I've been seeing from the last 15 years. And कहीं कुछ change ही नहीं करते हैं ये लोग. Why are the choreographers, why are the designers so comfortable working with the same models? And when I say same old models, I'm not talking about their age, you know, but it's like हम 15 साल से वही चेहरे, वही legs, वही bodies क्यों देखी जा रहे हैं? Why aren't they discovering more people? Today there's so much more awareness. If you look at Bollywood, पहले कितने कम stars होते थे. आज कितने सारे ज़्यादा stars हैं हमारे पास. And modeling is the exact opposite. You know, you have fewer and fewer models, and you're just seeing the same faces being repeated. Do you agree with me?
अब तो opportunities भी बहुत सारी हैं. There's so many pageants happening. People are now taking modeling as a career. पहले होता था कि people object to something like that. Now it's making it.
I don't know what has gone wrong with the ramp models. They were pathetic. You saw कहीं यहाँ कोई mark तो कहीं कोई यहाँ boil mark तो कहीं कोई cut mark and bad sagging thighs. You saw it all yourself.
There was
with
a lot
me.
of wobbling going on.
And अगर लड़कियाँ पतली भी थी, did you think they were thin?
It was not a right mix anyway.
Exactly.
I mean,
either though they were like too big, like, manly,
broad.
manly, and यहाँ पे 6 packs and all that, like Rahul Dev kind of body that you would want to see on him, not on a girl. या तो फिर they were like thin and they still had like this big stomach and, I'm like, okay, it's one of those days of the month, but how many? All of them together? It didn't make sense to me. They were in real bad shape, and I think it's really sad.
And there was a bit of grooming that was missing as well, right? But
yeah, it's like they were not waxed, and if धाग है तो थोड़ा foundation यहाँ पे भी लगा लो. It's like the grooming is definitely missing in the new girls. If you still look at the older ones, probably that's the reason they use them, because it's easier. But the new ones really need to pull up the act.
But do you think that's what it is? That people think कि कपड़े जब तक अच्छे हैं तो कोई ये सब नहीं देखेगा?
I don't know. मैं next time अच्छे कपड़े पहन के armpit hair के साथ आ जाऊँ.
फिर तो tweet ही करना पड़ेगा. Well, we've laughed a lot, but what seriously you think has gone wrong with the models?
Like I said, it's a really sad situation. I think the problem is that there is tremendous pressure कि हमें पतला रहना है, we have to look skinny. In the bargain, they don't want to work out because they probably don't have the time, or they don't have the inclination, or probably gyms are really expensive, So if they're making less money, they don't have the money to probably go and work out in a decent gym.
Yeah.
I think they're probably taking the easy way out. They're taking the party way out, where they go, they do drugs, they don't eat, and they stay thin. And instead of spending money on a gym, they're spending money on drugs. Or probably the drugs can come free from a boyfriend. So they don't mind it, But there's something seriously wrong. If you look at them, they are thin, but they're not fit. Their bodies are not toned. They have paunches. At 20, their legs are sagging. It doesn't make sense. I think they're just taking the easier way out. There's too much pressure on them. Drugs, pressure, bad lifestyle.
Well, now that we've actually mentioned it on the show, hopefully they'll take attention next time.
I hope so.